Ton of dudes here. So I've been meaning to open this for a while, so let's just get right into it. I thought this was going to be a random thing, which I thought was really cool, but then I noticed it said 151 Mew 20th anniversary. Dagger of Doom, of course, even though I don't think we need this Dagger of Doom. We just bust it out because we can. Ah! Okay. Oh no, there's still a lot of packaging in this thing. Okay, what kind of ball is that? Does anyone know? Let me know in the comment section below. Is it a Master Ball, an Ultra Ball? No, 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 no. Ew. I don't know what kind of Mew sound that was. Let's just put that bad boy beside there. And look at that. We got a little insert. Explaining him. A trainer journey never ends. Each generation befriends new Pokemon and battle new dangers. Explore the world of Pokemon. Let's open this little guy up. Seems to be glossy. Need a little figure. And also, I wanted to share this with you guys. I ordered a booster box from Japan, and then they added this. I didn't realize that they had opened it already. And they tried to reseal it with tape. But I'm not upset about that. This wasn't even supposed to be in there. They just added it. So, let's have fun and open it. Okay, something's wrong here. Oh, we got a holo. Sunrock or whatever it's called. Camera ups. Pre-stage. I don't know what that is. Araridos. That's pretty cool. If anyone knows what kind of pack this is, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching this little mini opening of a Pokeball quick upload. Ton of dudes here. Peace!